And we got a new delivery. Just finished washing the car, so we can list it on TURO later. I'll show you. Fine. After a long day of cleaning, including all those things and all of those racks, cleaned the car, and it's pristine for the pictures for TURO. I just went and did some pictures, and I'm gonna list it soon because this was the whole plan. It is so smooth. I even put like an extra coating of wax. It is just clean. Woo. So clean. So clean. What up? That I can drive and write off the mileage, and it's gonna cost me less because it's business expense. So already March I have 5,500 miles, but also I wanted to list it on TURO to make extra money, and yeah, that's why I bought and chose this car. Well, stay tuned. Tonight we're gonna install one more ATM. The ATM you saw coming earlier, so stay tuned for that. We're going to refill one account with money because there's no more money, obviously. But I did all the detailing on the car and I washed it. It took me about an hour, maybe hour and a half. If I paid somebody to do the same thing, it was gonna cost me $200 at least dollars. So in a sense, I just saved, or I made $200 for an hour. I did not record yesterday. I went to Cocoa Beach to install a new account with two accounts with a claw machine in each. I already installed the coin machine in each. And as usual, things did not go to plan. But again, that should not discourage you. This is how the world works and this is how it goes. There's nothing you can do about it. All you can do is smile and find how to fix it. So in one of the shops that I was installing, they closed it down because they caught the person to steal, and they closed it out for 4 days. So now I have 2 deliveries. I can take one, and the other one I cannot do anything with it. I asked the dispatch if I can take the delivery on both of the machines to be delivered on one of the properties that I can install at the day of. She said no, they have to do some paperwork, and basically because I already appointed a delivery location, I need to switch it. It's gonna take like a day or so to switch it. It's gonna cost extra. I'm like, you know what, screw it. They're gonna hold it in their location for 4 days. I'm gonna pay $30 a day, or 5 days. The day off was actually Tuesday, so they're gonna hold it for 7 days. I'm gonna pay $210. It's just the cost of doing business, guys. That's what it is. Yeah, but it's how business goes. Sometimes you just have to do what you gotta do and take it with a smile and make the best out of the situation. There's just nothing else you can do. So about TURO, first of all, I have not seen my car that clean since I took delivery of it. Those cars, 2020, 2018, 2019, Model 3 long range, they go for about 150 per day. TURO takes 60%, I'm sorry, I take 60% or 65%. TURO takes 35 or 40%, I would lie to you. But the car is insured up to 1 million. So basically I'm expecting on $100 a day, and I'm gonna put 3 days minimum. We'll see how it goes. So just filled it in with a little bit, because I don't have a lot of money. Because we need to save money for the other account today. And let's check this friend here. The money that I have, which was not a lot, but I'm not gonna tell you how much that was. So we can fuel the other account tomorrow. I'm out of cash, guys. That's why I kind of stopped buying machines. I bought $30,000 worth of machines 2 weeks ago, and I'm out of money. So we gotta buy those, guys. So we put it on top of the textile, and the customers do not make the textile, which is right here. This just clean, and it's hopefully clean enough. but we don't want that dirty. And also this is pretty hard to clean because there's little things getting stuck in there. But yeah, it's $200 expense. We're gonna make that in 2 days if the car rents for $150. Let's go with the Fast and Furious soundtrack. Alright, we're here at the bike club where I already have a coin pusher. Now we're gonna install an ATM, and I'm trying to get him on board with merchant services. I forgot the name, the swipey card thing. Let's get it on. Ugh, or not. Maybe I should go to the left a little bit. Oh shit, stay here. You gotta learn to do that by yourself, guys. Because there's not really always somebody to help you out. Let's do my steps for the day. You can actually use those, which is great. You just need to buy the screws. It's always hard to just nudge it millimeter by millimeter to actually fit the holes. The sequence number is disabled.
Okay, and then TCP IP CRC enabled?
Yes. It's pretty dark, so you cannot see me now, but we're done. And yeah. Hopefully they do a lot of business. They said in March they're gonna do a lot of business, so we'll see how it's gonna go. Coin pushers here, and I got him for merchant services as well. Hey bro, comma. My guy is ready to sign for the merchant services. Full stop. The $20 a month for a 3-month trial so we can try and see how things go. Okay, and this is how the night ends, guys. If you like that type of content, please give it a like, subscribe, and comment. You help me tremendously. We're up to 70 subscribers. I hope we keep climbing. This was ATM number, I think it's 9, but I'm not sure. Give me a sec. So this is ATM number 7, that is mine, and I'm vaulting for one more, so I got 8 accounts. And I'm waiting for 3 more. Next week on Tuesday, we're going to install an ATM and a claw machine, but stay tuned for that. Peace for now. Good luck with all the adventures that you're in. Light, come on. And keep hustling, guys. See you next time.